smart large screen, fast and convenient ordering and payment, completely close the hexagonal of sugar production, 64 options of flower shapes, intelligent standardized production, optimized to 70 seconds per piece. The internal structure design of the machine is exquisite. Additionally, the layout is well organized. The device is not only equipped with a clean water tank, but also specially designed with a sewage tank for storing wastewater after use. Advanced high-tech robotic arm. After each production is completed, the equipment will automatically clean. Wiring, piping, and connectors have been carefully planned. This approach avoids redundancy and clutter, ensuring a streamlined design. Equipped with high-performance water cooling system, filling materials is very convenient and fast. Can switch between multiple languages. We provide professional customization services, including lightbox design, system UI interface, the ability to place your own logo, and body stickers. Next, let's learn how to purchase marshmallows. Choose your favorite style. Click on Payment and choose your own payment method. After selecting Make Payment, cash payment is also possible. Coin payment. Cotton candy is now being made. We can watch the production process through the window. The beautiful marshmallows have been made.